Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. So today's video is one of my personal favorites. It teaches you how to make money with the stuff that you already have. And it also is gonna teach you how to glam and organize your closet. So if you would like to see how you can glam and organize your closet and make money for it, please keep watching. I just put my more casual shoes over here. So my sneakers and my casual boots as well. And I use the shopping bag to, just use it as storage for like my sneakers, my flats, my sandals. So just, it kind of adds a little aesthetic to the closet. And then I added a little ottoman over there in the corner. This way I can get to the top of my closet easily. And then I just put some of my heels down here, a little color coordinated as well. And as for the clothes, I color coordinated everything. That is the key. I like to go from dark to light. And I also did the same thing with the hangers. I used the black hangers on the darker clothes, and then I used the gray hangers on the lighter clothing. Now let's talk about up here. So what I did was I just found a little piece of fabric from JoAnn's and I literally just folded it in half. Let me show you. So look, just a little piece of fabric. Okay, and then look what I did here inside the bag. I used it as storage. So I just put some extra hangers in there. This way, it's hidden but not too far away either. So I stuffed some extra hangers right behind the bag. And there you have it. And then I just also placed some more bags over here for more aesthetic. And this is an interesting thing that I kind of figured out. So I just decided to place this piece of wood up here and just put a few nude shoes up here. And then I also placed some of my shoe boxes over there as well. And then I just added this little mirror in here because I couldn't place a chandelier because, oh, I know I'm blinding you guys, but the light is up here, so I couldn't put it on the ceiling like I would like to, because that would have been the perfect little piece, but it's okay. So the last thing about this closet is my flooring. So I guess from afar it looks like it could be marble flooring, right? But guess what, guys? This is an apartment-friendly flooring. Ta-da! Yo, this whole thing actually comes off. And then I added this little robe that I have on the hanger on the door, and I bought this little hanger from JoAnn's. It's actually a wreath hanger and it was like $1. So there you have it. So I know that you guys are anticipating to know how much I made, or how I made money, I should say. So the secret is this amazing place called Plato's Closet. It's literally a godsend. So instead of giving them your clothes and not getting anything for it, Plato's Closet actually buys the pieces from you. And the only thing about this place though is that they only take trendy items. So this means that it has to be something in season or like within the last maybe 1 to 2 years, I would say. So what they do is they give you a discounted price for your item. So the amount that I got is, drum roll please, dun 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 dun, $33.03, and this was for a total of 7 items. So now if you guys would like for me to make a video on exactly how to sell items at Plato's Closet, definitely comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely do a video on this gig for you guys. I would be glad actually to show you guys how to make money at Plato's Closet. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, because I would love for you to join my family, and you know, just I love all your support and your love, and I really hope that you guys can come along this journey with me. And that's it for now. Bye. See you next time.